YouTube. It's popping. It's too bright, huh? Yeah, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins back with another video. Back with another banger. Check it out. Uh, I don't know how long it's been. Longer than a week for sure. I just be busy, you feel me? But I do got some stuff. I got packages starting to pile up, so we gotta unbox this stuff. You guys gotta get to see it. I'm gonna probably post like 2 videos today. So, anyways, let's just get straight into it. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with everything I'm doing on this side. You feel me? Uh, let's just get right into it. First pop is where did I get this at? I got this pop at Sneaker Geek or Think Geek. It's Sneaker Geek. Wrong video. I got this at Think Geek at Tacoma Mall. So you see that good? Batmite. Pop number 300. What's this say? Batman, 80 years. I always like Batman. I just thought this was super dope. I don't be knowing a whole bunch about like all these pops. And I don't really like do the research like that. I just buy what I think is dope. Feel me? Just give you a little rotation. I got a whole bunch of pops here. We're just gonna unbox them all. I haven't really looked at them. Kind of just bought them and then threw the bag in the corner because I'd be having stuff to do. I'm not gonna open none of these just cause. Wow, that's kind of dope though. That's a little cape. Let me get it close. Anyways, okay, that's one. What else we got? Oh, got it. I got this Grandpa Simpson. Pretty dope. I wouldn't mind getting the Bartman and the Radioactive Man and even like Mr. Burns. You see, those are the other ones that come in this set. Pretty dope. It's not flopped or anything. Pop number 499. All right, and then we got I thought this was dope. Let's see. Orange Conan O'Brien. What's that say on there? Funko 2019 Summer Convention Limited Edition. I got all these at Think Geek. It's pretty dope. What else do we got here? Oh yeah, I picked this up. Moon Knight, Walgreens exclusive. I was in a store. I was in a Walgreens vending from the company I work for, and walked past, walked down the aisle, and I seen this, and I was like, yeah, that's dope. So I copped it. from Pop Marvel. Huh? I'm not even, honestly, I don't know what Moon Knight is. I have to do my research. But I know about, what's that, Doctor Strange on there? Yeah, that would be dope to get my hands on too. Alright, and then we got one more box. What's that? That I actually bought, or I got from the actual Funko company. Here. We'll add these all to the collection. Once my collection gets up, I'll do like a Funko Pop collection type deal. So, we got these from Funko. Bro, I don't even remember when I got this. This has been sitting for a while. Or at least a month. I've had this just sitting in the box for at least a month. So, go ahead and open them up. See what we got going. See, look how they package their stuff super nice. All bubble wrap individually. So I'm not even gonna look. I'm just gonna open it. Oh, it's in another box. They're not playing this this packaging. Oh yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. You guys know the vibes. I'm saying. Feel me? You got that Harry the Husky. Feel me? You guys know how we rock, man. Yeah, this is flocked too, so that means it's like felt. You know what I mean? I'm not taking it out of the box. This one was at the 2020 spring convention. It's a limited edition. You feel me? These are all the pops in the collection. So if you see your team, you know what I'm saying. Who they got on here? Louisiana State, University of Southern Cal, Michigan State, of course, UW, Clemson, and University of Alabama. So all your mascots. So if you're looking to get your mascot, there you go. But yeah, man, I'm happy about this one. This is dope. All my Huskies, you know the vibes. Okay, so we put that away. And then we got one more. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm putting it back in the box and everything. I got this one for my daughter. I think she's gonna like it a lot. Pooh. Anyways, it's Moana and Pua. But Pua's kind of just doing this thing. It's just kind of flying around. I think I'm gonna have to open it. She'll probably open this anyway, just because she loves Moana. So I mean, I'll probably have to buy another one so that she can just have it when she's older. But yeah, I thought that was cute. I thought, my daughter loves this movie, so I was like, you know, gotta get her the Moana. The box is scratched up too, so I'll probably order another one. So I'll let her open this. Matter of fact, I'm opening it. Exactly. Might as well open one. At least open one during this unboxing, right? So, there you go. Down goes Pooh. Boom. So you got little Moana and you got Pua. Let's pull her out. Fuck it. Damn, they gave her that. Her hair is thick. But now this is dope. Zoe will appreciate this. She loves her Moana. Oh yeah, let me show you guys Pua too, the little homie. The little homie Pua. Damn, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. That was straight to it, man. We still hit 11 minutes. And I ain't really fooling around too much, you guys. You guys should be proud of me. Yeah, that's it, man. I'm done. If you liked everything you've seen and you want to see more, comment below. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay tapped in with everything I'm doing on this side, make sure you hit the notification bell. You feel me? It's your boy, Bert Collins. I appreciate everybody for tuning in, tapping in. Peace.